Hi kids, today I am going to drawing a fish, so let's move. First I am drawing the fish mouth. Here I am drawing the head and body of the fish. And now I am drawing the fish tail. Here I am drawing the fins. And finally I am drawing the scales on the body. Super, this fish looks so cute. Now it's coloring time. Yellow. I love painting so much. Red. Pink. I am going to painting with different colors. Sky blue. Blue. Orange. I love fishes so much. Do you love it? Yellow. Green. Violet. Awesome, finally the fish looks so colorful with beautiful colors. Let's clap for you. Bye bye cuties.